This is an update to the Honda Civic hybrid engine mount video. I never finished telling you about the bolts that were really tricky to get out. They are that one and the one below it. Those two right there. You can see where the corner is already rounded off of that one that I was fighting with. Anyway, you have to remove those two, which is real difficult, but you got to get that bracket loose, which is essentially the bracket holding the brake master cylinder, in order to get the access to this transmission mount. Now, I replaced this transmission mount, and you can see here the grooves on the top of the mount where I've adjusted it around. So I started all the way in and then moved it all the way out, or excuse me, the other way around. Basically, this mount vibrated like crazy and made a hell of a noise as soon as I put it in. So this has been here has been binding on that, and I'm not sure what's going on, but I have an idea. It was recommended to me by somebody over at Hybrid Green Cars that this engine mount might be bad, so I went ahead and I'm changing this. At first glance, it looks like this engine mount has collapsed. This piece is still firm in here. I've already got it loose, but if you compare it with the new one, the new one does not look to be as deep inside of that holder, but I'll have to measure and make sure. Anyway, I just wanted to give you the walkthrough on removing this engine mount here, which you may not need to do, but I'll find out. One big nut, one big bolt. You have to remove the bolt out of the center of the top of the bracket here. You remove this bracket off of these brake lines. Now, to do that, you've got these brake lines here. Okay, you got the brake master or brake pump assembly, ABS pump, and this bracket is attached through that hole onto the top of that stud right there. Now, this bracket has also got the AC line riding on it right there. You got to loosen that. Try to loosen the brake line holder, and then this bracket will come loose once you loosen that bolt inside on the frame, and then you can get it out.